How to find and save effects on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure to find and save effect on Instagram. To do it, so you want to first of all open the Instagram application and log in. So here, what you could do is simply tap on your story, and as soon as you click on the your story button, click on the camera. All right. Then at the bottom, you could see these are also your effects, right? So if you go ahead and select the particular effect that you want to go with, you could simply swipe towards your left and it's going to be saved automatically. All right. So just do the same thing. And when I want to use it, I can just swipe up and then I get it. So now the other way to do it so is that you could simply swipe up or you could simply tap on it and then you could just click on save effect. All right, you've done this. You could also go ahead and click on view effect page and then you have these a lot of options available. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and select the effect that I like and tap on the three dot icon and you could click on save. So this is also one way of doing it. So, and other than that, if you swipe towards the end, at the end you could find these search bar, so you could click on it and then you could click on browse effect. Now it's going to take a while in order to load it up, but you could just press on browse effect and you could find a list of options available. Then you could go ahead and select the one and then save it whichever you liked. So this is the way you could find and save effect on Instagram. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.